be on some other shit. It's kinda bittersweet that I fell in love with it. I always thought that if I always cared about how I dress, that folks would think I'm arrogant and chicks would lose interest. But as it turns out, people start to notice you more. You turn heads when you step and foot in them sneaker stores. Like, where you get them, can I get them? What's the biggest size left? And chicks that never would have seen you.
What's up, everybody? It's Big Roth TV, and I'm back with another sneaker video. Alright, first pickup of 2024. Happy New Year to you all. Alright, and we're gonna get it started like this. Boom. Nike box. Alright, regular Nike box. We've all seen this one before. This one is a shoe model that I picked up in 2023, but I returned it. At the time I did the video, I said how much I liked the shoe, but then afterwards I returned those shoes, and almost immediately I regretted it. Like, I felt like, man, I should have kept those. And at the time when I sent them back, I just was like, ah, man, you know what? I really don't need these. I don't need these. I could probably wait and maybe catch them later when they're on a little bit of a sale. I don't have to have them right now. And I returned them, and then for one, they never went on the sale. And then two, they sold out, so I couldn't go back and get them. And then on the resale sites, they cost more now than what they did when they originally released. So I just never went back and got that shoe. But this one is the Nike Zoom Vomero 5. Alright? And the colorway on this one is Lakeside and Lakeside. Size 13 on these. Alright, so the original pair that I got was the worn blue colorway, and man, those things are dope. In retrospect, now that they're gone and I don't have them here, man, those things are dope. But you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you make some dumb decisions. Alright, but let's go ahead and get into these. But of course, you all know how I do it right here on Big Roth TV. I got these from Finish Line, and here is the receipt for all you receipt boys out there. All right. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very lightweight, but very nice. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. The Lakeside Nike Vomero 5. Alright. The nice baby blue colorway. Alright, man, I saw these and I said, these are dope, man. These are hard. I gotta get these. And initially when these popped up on the Nike app, they sold out in my size. They weren't completely sold out, but my size was gone. And then a little bit after that, they were completely gone. But man, when I saw these, I said, these are the ones. There's been a lot of nice colorways popping up. I like the all red ones. There's like a clay one that just came out when these came out. I like those too. But these were the ones right here. These were the ones. I gotta keep this pair. It's been a regret of mine. That's probably my biggest sneaker regret of 2023, is that I got rid of the worn blue colorway of this Vomero. Biggest regret I made sneaker wise in 2023. Alright, just look at that shoe, man. Leather on the, actually that's not leather. That's not leather. It looks like leather from back here, but as you get closer, it's not. When you get close, that's not a leather. There is no leather on this, or is it? Yeah, maybe a little bit up here in the front. Maybe not. Maybe not. I like all the different materials. Nice vents, it looks like, in the back for breathability, so that your shoes and everything won't be all stank. Got some cushion here. Alright. And check out the bottom. You got your zoom. Then on the inside it says these are the Bowerman series on the insole. Once again, on the bottom it says there's Duralon there for the traction on the bottom. Very, very lightweight shoe. Extremely lightweight. Like super lightweight shoe. Alright, on the tongue, Vomero 5 on the tongue. Nice thick tongue. Alright, soft as well. You know what I mean? I'm gonna wear these casually. I'm not gonna go out and like actually run in these, but I feel like these are a nice alternative to like Ultra Boost. These are like Nike's version to me. This is what I would say would be Nike's version of the Ultra Boost, because I remember when I put the other pair on, they were so comfortable. Nice cushion. Look at that cushion going around the heel and the collar of the shoe. It's a good amount of cushion in there. Alright. Nice shank plate there. You see that shiny shank plate. Man. Is that nylon on the swoosh? I don't know, but you see it stitched on both sides. It's very nice, man. Very nice. Can't go wrong with these. But, you know, we got to do for the first time in 2024, we got to take these boys on feet. Alright, here we are on feet. I was wearing the AJKO low shadows today. So let's put those to the side. And here we are. Alright, here we are on feet. The Nike Vomero 5 in the Lakeside colorway. Alright. Comfortable, man. So nice and comfortable. These feel amazing on feet. Just incredible, man. They feel good on feet. So soft, like, goodness gracious. So I did see on the inside that it says the upper contains a synthetic leather. So this is a synthetic leather on the uppers. Alright. Now as far as the fit, feels good. Great. Feels perfect, actually. This is a 13. So I usually go down in kind of the softer shoes like this. Ultra Boost as well. And I know I keep saying that, but this is to me, this is the closest comparison. This is like Nike's version of an Ultra Boost. Alright. So I would say for me, my true size is a 13.5. I went down a half size and it fits perfect. So if you can try a pair on, I would do that. That's what I recommend. Alright. But anyway, let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's gonna do it for these. Man, these are dope. These are very, very nice and very, very, very comfortable. Very comfortable. These are so comfortable, man. It makes me want to get another pair. There's another like cream and or a sail and kind of black pair that just released. They just restocked them on Nike as well. So if I got them from Finish Line, but Nike restocked them, and they did the clay pair on there as well. And then there's like that sail and black pair that just restocked today. There was this funky kind of green. I can't think of the colorway, but they released on Soul Play today. That colorway is crazy. I don't know if I would buy them, but it looks cool looking at it. I don't know if I would buy them and rock them, but they clean. I don't think you can go wrong with Vomeros. If you're looking for a pair of comfy boys, as Mr. Fomer Simpson would say, this is that shoe. Very comfortable, all day wear. Your feet will thank you. Can't go wrong with these. All right. I didn't show the swoosh in the back. There's a swoosh back there. But yeah, man, these are amazing. Very, very nice, all around comfort on the upper, on the insole of your feet. As I mentioned, so much cushion. You just can't go wrong with this shoe, man. I highly recommend for comfort. For comfort. If you want to move away from Adidas, because I know the Yeezys were a high standard. I still have Yeezys. I still rock them. They're very comfortable. I know Ultra Boost are extremely comfortable, but if you're a Nike guy and you're like, man, I need something very comfortable, these, you can't go wrong. These should be your top pick. All right. But anyway, that's going to do it for these. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.